AC system, and it's a leaker. I believe it's a micro channel, and might have been over there last year, give it a little douche. He's calling me, and he needs wants me to go by and check it for the season. One thing about a micro channel, they don't hold a lot of refrigerant. Anyway, that's the story. I'm going over to his mother's house, and she's sickly, and she needs an AC, and it's a pile of York. Micro channel, I believe. So we'll go over there and run it, see what it's doing, and if it needs a little douche, we'll give it a doucheroo. Even know how you doing, Mama? Go gas and go. No, it depends on how bad the leak is. If it's really bad, I won't just dump refrigerant in it. If it's a small leak, that's different. We got the little window open in the bottom there, Molly, for air. We could run the AC if we want. I got AC in this truck, but it's not really crazy hot right now. It's probably about, I don't know, it's gonna be 72 degrees out today. It was gonna be 69 or something, almost 80 today. See if we get you some shots.
Last year, we did the year before, my mother was still here.
So it was 3 years it lasted.
Yeah, about 3 years.
Alright, so 58 is the wet bulb. That's good.
It's pretty much on schedule. You seem to be doing it every 3 years. So.
Yeah, so that's a tiny leak.
Yeah. It did cool it down yesterday. We dropped it 2 degrees, but it took like half an hour.
Did it?
And it was still running. It wasn't getting past the 2 degrees.
Yeah, so it's 71 in here. Why don't we turn it down? Yep. Turn it down below that, and we'll check it outside. So 50, 57, 58, something like that. Yeah, definitely gonna need a charge. I like it when a plan comes together.
I actually got a couple of bricks that I'm gonna stick under there.
What do we put wood under it last time or something?
Yeah, it was like an emergency thing. That's all I had around. But
how's your mom doing?
I actually lost her last January.
Oh, you lost her?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, we're at 70. Way too low. See it? Yep. 69?
Where's that should be up to?
That's way too low. It's gonna be above 100. It's gonna ice.
Yeah, I didn't want to push it too much yesterday.
No, it's gonna be a problem if we don't charge it. You can't do it like, can't run it like that for long. Yeah. Fucking caps are on there.
You put one last.
Huh?
You were the last one in. You put one tight. So it's been a couple of years.
Alright, so we're gonna have to put some in there. First time this year I'm using this thing, so. See, we're at 70 there. That's way too low on the suction. 410A. See our superheat at 54? Yep. Way too high. We'll give it a little how you doing, that's all.
It worked fine last year, so.
You said 3 years.
Well, it wasn't what.
Yeah, 410A is gonna be above 100. We're gonna have an issue. Give it a little how you doing. So. 840, that's 410. Alright, so we said I was 58 on the wet bulb, right? 58 on the wet bulb with 80 outside. 58 on the wet bulb with 80 outside. Should be 5 degrees. 5 degrees superheat. It's 80 outside, so 5 degrees. We're at 30 there. See, we're at 30. We're gonna bring that down to 5. Somewhere in that area. Pile of York, mama. He's a pile of York, mama. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can see it. A little glary. This is the first charge I'm doing this year. We're gonna be about 5 degrees on the superheat, so we don't want to overshoot it because this is well, this is one of the micro channels, don't hold a lot of gas. But see, we're already at 92. This is gonna come down, the superheat, gonna give a little bit. We don't overshoot it.
Down inside too.
Well, it's gonna, we were at what, 70 something, remember?
Yep.
You would have iced. Give it a little bit more. Gotta be careful with this 410 because you could overshoot it, like put too much in it, you know? You wanna do that. You see you lost your mom, yeah? Sucks. Subcooling at 5, she's still low. Well, you definitely notice a big difference when you get a little gas in it. I'm surprised it lasted 3 years.
The first time they did it, they had to hit with literally nothing in the buffer. And then a few years ago when you did it, you just had to top it off. It wasn't maybe lifting it up like that. It's not a leak or whatever. The guy put some dye in it, some green dye.
Yeah, we need a special light for that. You got a knife over here. Did you know that in the back? Yeah, see, there's a knife in the back there. Is that yours?
Probably.
See it?
Yep.
Is that yours?
It's like it might have been over there.
Just a little rusted.
Somewhere around here. The only thing he said that luckily my the furnace is literally right next to that window down here.
Have you been changing the filters?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had 8s. I know you like the 4s. I had the 8s just to.
That's fine. It's fine. Yeah, as long as it's big enough.
And
yeah.
I change them every 2 or 3 months. So.
See, right now we're above 100,
Yep.
and this superheat's starting to drop. Might have to put a little bit more in it, but like I said, I don't want to overshoot it. See, now we're at 30, but we're still going to come down more. Subcooling's still kind of low, so we'll give it a little bit more. You want to put it in slowly. You don't want to flood it and flash the compressor, you know. How's your dog? Good?
Oh yeah, I got her probably in October. I know I had a couple surgeries myself over the winter. I figured I was going to be home, not being able to leave, do anything, so I just were able to go rescue her at the lighthouse in the shelter.
You hear about the girl on Facebook that got was babysitting some dogs and the dogs attacked her,
No kidding.
ripped her face off.
This one doesn't have any teeth, so.
If this was 22, it'd be a lot easier to charge. This is the 410A stuff. They're coming out with new stuff next year, flammable shit.
Flammable?
Yeah, leave it to the government, right? Yeah. flammable. Leave it to the government to screw up a good thing. It's like with the 22 is really good, and it's great. This stuff they got now, the 410As are like a blend, so you can't really, you gotta put it in as a mix. And then the new stuff they're coming out now is gonna be flammable. You know? I mean, how stupid is that? It's all a money thing. Worrying about the environment. Bullshit. Yeah, this is starting to sweat now. That's what I want to see, you know. Really? So we're right around 100 with our suction. Our superheat's getting down there. See it? Around 6. I mean, that's about the best it's gonna get. You don't know what's the temperature in the house?
Now it is
59? 69. Yeah, so we're right around, you know, right around 5 with our superheat. See it? Our suction's about 100. It might, on a hot day, it's gonna come up more than that, but you gotta kind of rob from Peter to pay Paul here, you know. See, it's nice and sweaty. That's what we want. That's what you want to feel, this nice and sweaty. Yep. And you want to feel the heat. Put your hand on there and feel the heat coming out. That's the heat from the house. You want that warm.
Yep.
If this is coming out cold, you know it's not transferring the heat from the house outside. Alright, so we're right there. We're right there on heat, and our suction's about where we need to be. Can't go any lower than that. So that's it, right there. Our subcooling's at 7. I'll leave it right there. Alright, so it's nice and sweaty. That's what you want to see. This should be a little bit on the warm side, which it is. Not warm here, we're good. Micro channel. It's Kyler York. When was the last time I weighed it? 24.3. And I'm 22.4. So that's 2 pounds. That's how I do it. See? I weigh the tank. When I bring it back, I weigh it. I know how much I use. 2 pounds in 3 years, that's nothing.